Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for SQQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 30, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SQQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the SQQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 7.213. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 30.58% since we first told you to buy SQQQ 14 days ago. This is an average return of 2.18% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, "A very strong day for SQQQ ETF price on Friday." The SQQQ ETF price gained 5.45% on the last trading day, Friday, September 30, 2022, rising from $58.15 to $61.32. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.24% from a day low at $56.16 to a day high of $61.35. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 24.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 159 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.72 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $67.69, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 9.41%, or $6.37, below 52-week high, and 92.42%, or $747.15, below all-time high March 12, 2020, where the price hit $808. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 2.89% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -42.36% and 2.89%. The 12-month trend indicates a 34.63% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -55.93% and 56.84%. This equals a price between $27.02 and $96.17 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SQQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The SQQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $56.71 and $45.35. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has risen 83.32%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 193 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see Short moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $53.68 and $51.78. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SQQQ finds support just below today's level at $53.68. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.78 and $46.96. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.19 between high and low, or 9.24%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 8.6%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $53.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $59.58, minus 2.84%. This ETF has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 83 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 33 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? SQQQ holds several positive signals and is within a weak rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 3rd, we expect SQQQ to open down minus $1.71 and start trading at $59.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.